We're going to locate the rib cage oval and the pelvic oval, and then we're going to orient them so they're in the optimal relationship. So the rib cage oval is at the level at the bottom of the sternum, and we're going to trace a line, and I'll use this band to show you, from that bottom of the sternum. We're going to use our hands on ourselves to find this oval. The space within the oval is what we're going to use to orient rib cage and pelvis. Now let's locate the rib cage oval in our own bodies. We're going to start at the xiphoid process, the bottom of the sternum, trace a line from that so that our hands can rest on the side of the body, fingertips pointing forward, thumbs pointing back. Connecting fingers in the front, thumbs in the back is your oval. Your oval can have different orientations. For instance, it can tip forward, it can tip back, and it could be parallel to the ground. Go ahead and notice going from forward, moving through the middle, and then to the back, how your head changes, how your shoulder orientation changes. We were looking for finding the oval parallel to the ground as our neutral. Once you find that, allow your arms to hang and just notice what feels different. To find the pelvic oval, we're going to use the anterior superior iliac spine and the posterior superior iliac spine. We're going to use our hands to find and locate these places, and that will be the pelvic oval. To find the pelvic oval, find the ASIS, the anterior superior iliac spine, on the front, that bony points that point out to the front. Your fingertip, pointer finger, is going to go there. You're going to let your thumbs point towards the back. And again, use your kinesthetic imagination to connect the fingers in the front, the thumbs in the back, and go ahead and play around with the orientation of that oval. So the oval is the space within your fingers and the imaginary connection. So it can be parallel to the ground, it can be tipped back, it can be tipped forward. And just notice what changes result throughout the body as you change the orientation. Now we're going to optimize the rib cage oval and the pelvic oval. This relationship is going to be our neutral, and from there we can move all over the place. So we find the rib cage oval, we connect fingertips in the front, thumbs in the back, and we look for the space within our oval to be parallel to the floor. So it can be helpful to move back, forward, and then look for that place where you feel like it's your hands, or the oval within your hands, is parallel to the floor, and then let your arms come down. Keeping that in that position, go ahead and find the pelvic oval using the ASIS in the front, and go ahead and play around with moving that oval until you get to the place where you feel like it is parallel to the floor and therefore parallel to the ribcage oval. There's your starting place. For a lot of people, we're going to feel like we're working harder in the abdominals in the front because so many people are used to being in this extended place. To come to that neutral requires some tone in the front of the abdominals and lengthening in the back muscles.